GTR. Clean as heck, man. I love these cars, bro.
Shawty hit my line every time. Shawty wanna do it in the night.
What's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. It is currently 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and we are about to head to Cars and Coffee right here in Colombia. Let me tell you something, I couldn't be more excited. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay notified whenever I upload. Follow the car build on Instagram at Sansigen to keep up with it. Definitely cop some merch, guys. TunerGodz.com. Everything will be below in the description. But yeah, we're about to link up with the GTR homie Andrew, and then we're gonna cruise and link up with some more GTR homies as well. Let's go. So we at Mickey D's right now, bro. Oh man, the homie Andrew pulling up in the ETR. Sheesh, 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 sheesh. Philip, the homie Phil's here in the 3.8 BK Tizzles. Let's go. Benji, welcome, brother. Nice, I like it, I like it. Yes, sir. Hey, buddy. Dude, this bird just like completely destroyed Ben's car, man. Oh my God, it's a streak of doo-doo. We are headed out. That car is so sick, man.
Love you.
Thank you, bro.
I'm gonna launch it right here.
Yeah, that's perfect. We should definitely do that. Oh, sheesh. Did y'all see that? Homie Chris, yes sir. 650S. Yes indeed. Good sir, Brick coming in. Hey mate, how are ya? GTR number 3 right here. Yes sir. Hey twin. What's up, Chris? I love the I love it, dude. I love the car, bro. Woo! Sheesh! We got more. All right, CTS. Oh my God. actually made it here before everybody else because, you know, I came off one exit earlier, but it's okay, we're here. Haha, you finally made it. Yes, sir. Love it. Oh, got the whole crew coming in. What? Yes, let's go. What's up, Britt? Yes, sir. Look at me. Getting ahead of the crew and all, just out here working it. Yes. Welcome to the party. Mr. Kane. Yes, sir. But already, man, here at Cars and Coffee Colombia, you have so many sweet cars, dog. We got a C5 right here, super sweet. C8, clean as heck, man. I love these cars, bro. I love them so much. Another Corvette in the cut, super sick. We got even another Corvette right here, man. That is dope, my friend. Woohoo! F-Type. Dude, look, let me not get in your way, bro. But this F-Type R though, Fox Body Gang. Okay, we got another one right here too. Ooh, and then we have a Cobra. Oh my goodness, dog. That intake is freaking ginormous, dude. Oh my goodness. And got a Beetle out here, old school. Got another 5.0 Fox Body right here. The Trans Am Gang. Oh my goodness, dog. Look at these rides. Look at this. Oh my Jesus. This is very nice. Ooh, look at these wheels. Haha, John. What's up, dude? ST Gang all the way. Look at this lineup, man. Look at this lineup. Oh, we got a Fiesta out here and also another Focus. This LC5 Hundo though, oh my goodness, bro. This is like one of the most futuristic cars in the modern day. It looks like it's straight from out to the future, but this is so sweet. Look at that rear end. Another CA right here. Oh my God. Dude, is that like Nardo Blue Gray? I like that, dog. So sick, man. So sick. Corvette. Z06. Oh my God. That's sweet, dog. That's nice, bro. This vet is so clean, bro. So clean. Get your hands on this. Oh my God. That's nice. This Mercedes though, jeez, bro. Coming out here in luxury. Look at this Porsche. Oh my gosh, bro. Straight out. There's a dog inside. Oh my goodness. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. This Porsche though, man. This Porsche. Get a load of this one too, man. I love this color on it, dog. I really do. And those wheels are really sick too. The homie Next Jenning. Genesis crew. Let's go. Subi Gang. Subs. Ooh. M4? Okay, dog. I see you, bro. I see you. BR Zizzles. Actually, nah, that's an FRS. Miata over here. The Fast and Furious Beamer, which is also super sweet. We also got a GT350. Oh my goodness. Loving the racing stripes on this one. That's sick. But this Mustang, though. Oh my God. Look at those headlights. So sweet, man. Sheesh. Those wheels, though, man. So nice, dog. This R32 though, oh my God, bro, look underneath. Respect it, bro. Respect it. Right hand drive. Sheesh. Sexy ass RX-7 right here. 280 ZX right here, bro. Paying homage to the old school Z's, bro. I mean, look at that emblem. Civic Squad S2000. I like, oh bro, you're giving away free donuts, man. Oh my God. GTR gang, of course. CTSV. ETR versus ETR versus ETR. And just look at the lineup, dog. Just respect it. Respect the vet. Respect the GT. And then look at this nice lime green ass Mustang, bro. Sheesh. I like that 5.0, man. I really do, bro. This Cobra, though, man. I think it's a replica, but still. This Cobra, though, man. M3, dog. Oh, my God, bro. So clean. ETR. All the way wide body. Yes, sir. I love it, man. Oh my gosh. Look at this Viper, though, guys. Oh, my goodness. The blue on it. Sheesh. That is so clean, bro. This Jaguar though, oh my goodness, old school. Look at the mirrors on this thing, dude. That's so crazy. GT5 Hundo though, oh my god, bro. Sheesh. CGSV, I like it, man. Yes, sir. Look at that. But yo, I had such an awesome time coming to Cars and Coffee today, per usual. Make sure you like them on Facebook at Cars and Coffee Colombia. But definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know you can get notified whenever I upload. Follow the car build on Instagram at Sazigen to keep up with it. Definitely support the channel by shopping TunerGodz merch. Everything will be below in the description. But we're gonna wrap this up right here. So you already know. Peace, love, sleep and grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one. Because of Saze Vlogs.
I say, fling it back on me. Chatty batty and do it on a beat. Me and the liquor and I'm a cup and never free. Girl, they looking at your eye, tell me, come now. She want love now.